Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, where we're going to delve into a fascinating problem in the world of UML modeling. The problem we're tackling today revolves around how some properties are defined as subsets of inherited properties with the ordered constraint, yet the subset itself is not explicitly defined as ordered. It leaves us wondering if the ordering of the superset should automatically carry over to the subset, or if there's a different reasoning behind it. Now, let's talk about the solution presented for this intriguing problem. It seems that in the realm of UML, things can get quite complex. The Liskov substitution principle plays a significant role in determining how ordered unique features should be handled when subsetting them. While LSP dictates that a derived feature should maintain the same ordering as the superset, there are scenarios where this may not be the case. The flexibility provided by UML, especially with concepts like redefines, can lead to designs that may seem unintelligible or impractical at times. In conclusion, when dealing with UML modeling in property subsets, there are various nuances and considerations to keep in mind. The design choices made, such as subsetting ordered features or using redefines, can have a significant impact on the overall structure and clarity of the model. It's essential to understand the implications of these choices and ensure that the model remains coherent and easy to interpret. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the topic. Until next time, happy modeling!